Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Business. Now I will display some exclusive trendy soft silk sarees collections only for you. So let me display. For more collections, please visit our showroom at Kolkata. All over India, free delivery, cash on delivery available. And this one very nice elegant color combinations, premium quality handloom semi dupian silk with all over zari weaving, copper golden zari weaving buta design all over piece. And this one is border portions fully smart temple pattern weaving design, worked border all over plain base texture weaving design, semi dupian silk all over buta. And pallu portions, fine threaded weaving highlighted design, worked pallu, stripes pattern design, threaded weaving, very nice elegant look, soft material. And this one full base part all over weaving, copper golden zari weaving buta work. And this one is border portions fully temple weaving design, running blouse piece, elegant one, soft lightweight summer wear also. And this silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And next one, nice color combinations, very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, premium quality, pure handloom, soft silk, soft semi dupian silk, all over texture weaving design and buta work, fully silver and golden zari weaving, smart buta all over base. And border portion silver zari border highlighted temple weaving design, worked border, very elegant fresh looks, semi dupian silk with all over buta, elegant one, running blouse piece. And pallu portions, highlighted fine stripes, zari stripes design with all over buta work. And this one is border portions temple border. And this silk material heavy embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant bright looks. Beautiful color combinations, fresh one, premium quality, same material, semi dupian silk handloom with highlighted temple pattern weaving design, worked border, very fresh elegant looks. This one is full base part all over fine golden and silver zari weaving buta work all over base, border portion silver zari border highlighted temple weaving design, worked border, pallu end highlighted golden zari stripes pattern pallu. And very soft material, lightweight, fresh, elegant looks all over buta work. This one full base part golden and silver zari weaving buta design all over base, border portion silver zari with temple pattern weaving design border, running blouse piece. And suggest the silk material sequin embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And next one is a very beautiful color combinations, fresh one, soft semi cotton silk with all over fine weaving design work, zari with threaded weaving design all over base, chocolate brown shade. And this one border portions highlighted fine stripes weaving stripes design border all over fine weaving work. This one is full base part thread and zari weaving stripes design all over base, soft material, lightweight. And pallu portions very smart weaving design work highlighted pallu. This one is pallu portions, dark chocolate brown shade all over stripes highlighted. This one is full base part, border portion smart threaded weaving design, running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece. And this is a silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. Next one nice color combinations, very fresh one, bright red shade all over same thread with zari contrast weaving design buta work all over base. This one full base part all over fully zari and thread weaving highlighted stripes pattern design, border portion smart highlighted threaded weaving stripes design, very elegant looks, ready shade. And pallu portions beautiful weaving design, zari weaving design, worked pallu. And very soft material, lightweight, bright looks. This one is full base part all over weaving work, running blouse piece. And this is silk material embroidery design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright looks. And next one also nice color combinations, onion pink shade, pretty nice elegant color, same material, pure handloom, soft semi cotton silk with all over fine zari and threaded weaving design work, highlighted all over stripes design. Very elegant color combination. This one is border portions, fully threaded weaving, highlighted stripes border, elegant looks, running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, and pallu portions, zari with threaded weaving, highlighted checks pattern design worked pallu, and all over threaded border and stripes design. Very elegant looks, and this silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece. Sorry for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful color combination, soft material, premium quality, same material, premium quality, pure handloom, soft semi cotton silk, all over fine weaving design work, zari with threaded weaving, highlighted stripes pattern design. Very elegant looks. This one is border portions, threaded weaving, highlighted border with weaving sequin, highlighted detailing design, and pallu portions, beautiful checks, zari with threaded weaving, checks pattern design. Very elegant bright looks, elegant one, and all over same highlighted stripes work, very fresh trendy looks, running blouse piece, and this is silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece. This is for your outstanding bright looks. And next one, very nice color combination, soft material, elegant one, pure handloom, soft semi cotton silk, all over fine zari and threaded weaving design stripes work all over base. These are thread with zari stripes with weaving stripes design, and border portions, threaded weaving, highlighted border with sequin weaving design, smart trendy looks, and pallu portions, thread with zari weaving, checks pattern design all over pallu. Very fresh elegant looks. This one is full base part, nice color combinations, running blouse piece, and this is silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece. This is for your outstanding looks. Beautiful color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom, soft semi cotton silk with all over fine thread and zari weaving design stripes work all over base. Very nice elegant color combinations. This one is border portions, fully threaded weaving with sequin stripes design border, all over thread with zari weaving stripes design. Very elegant fresh looks, premium quality, and this one is running blouse piece, and pallu portions, zari with threaded weaving, checks pattern design worked pallu, soft one, summer wear also, and plus the silk material brocade Banarasi work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks. Next one, very nice one, fresh trendy one, premium quality, pure handloom, semi dupian silk with all over buta and smart temple pattern weaving design worked border. This one is border portions, fully temple design worked border, all over buta work, fresh elegant one, semi dupian silk, very soft material, lightweight, running blouse piece, and pallu portions, highlighted threaded with zari weaving stripes design pallu. This one is pallu portions, stripes design, and all over buta work, copper golden zari temple border, and this is silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece. This is for your outstanding looks. Next one also, nice color combination, same material, semi dupian silk, handloom soft silk with highlighted copper golden zari weaving temple border, all over weaving buta design. Very elegant fresh looks, copper golden zari weaving border. This one is temple border, all over buta work, bright color combinations. This one is pallu portions, highlighted threaded weaving stripes design pallu, soft one, summer wear, elegant look. This one is full base part, temple border, all over weaving buta design, running blouse piece, and this is silk material, shiny contrast, plain contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive looks. And next one, nice color combination, very soft elegant one, pure handloom, soft semi dupian silk zari border. This one is zari temple border, all over buta work, highlighted smart temple weaving design worked border all over buta work, semi dupian silk, and this one is pallu portions, highlighted zari with threaded weaving stripes design pallu, soft one, smart elegant looks. This one is full base part all over weaving buta design, copper golden zari weaving buta, running blouse piece, lightweight, and has this silk material, shiny plain contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful bright looks. Very beautiful one, soft material, self weaving buta design all over base, premium quality, pure handloom, soft semi cotton silk with self weaving buta design all over saree, very nice elegant looks. This one is full base part all over, fine self weaving buta design all over saree, very nice color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom, soft semi cotton silk, and this one is pallu portions, fully threaded weaving stripes with buta work, pallu, soft material, lightweight, premium quality, pure handloom, soft semi cotton silk with self threaded buta work all over base, running blouse piece, and this is silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant bright looks. Next one, same pattern, premium quality, pure handloom, soft semi cotton silk with threaded weaving self weaving work all over base. This one is full base part all over, self weaving design brocade work all over sorry, and very soft material, lightweight, body fitted, premium quality, pure handloom, soft semi cotton silk, and this one is pallu portions, fully threaded weaving stripes design pallu, and all over self brocade work. This one is full base part, dark purple shade all over self brocade, running blouse piece plain, and so this is silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. Next one, nice color combinations, dark maroon shade with all over self weaving buta design all over saree, very elegant fresh looks. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, soft semi cotton silk all over, fine threaded weaving self weaving buta work all over saree, very elegant one, and this one is pallu in highlighted threaded weaving stripes design pallu in all over buta work, very fresh one. This one is full base part all over buta self buta, running blouse piece, and this silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. And today I have got a beautiful saree, semi dupian silk, pure handloom, silver zari border and full border portions, temple golden zari weaving temple design worked border all over buta work, golden and silver zari weaving contrast buta all over base, and pallu portions highlighted golden zari stripes pattern pallu with buta work, very soft material, lightweight, beautiful saree and designer blouse. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good, take care. Thank you so much.